Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change your location on your BLK dating app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this you need to first of all download your BLK app, and once you do this you need to get signed in into your account by tapping open your BLK app from your home screen. Simply navigate the app and simply tap it open, and you will end up in this kind of interface where you can simply get signed in into your account. Once you are logged in, you need to now navigate yourself to the profile settings and then select the edit option. Once you have done this as well, you can simply modify your current location to a new one. So talking about it in detail, you need to locate yourself to the edit option or the profile button and tap it open to access your profile settings. After this, look for a section labeled location or where you are. Once you find this, simply tap on the correct location and select the new location you would like to use. Once it is done, you need to confirm your new location and you are all set with your location change on BLK. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.